Hey guys, yeah, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a rolling out of Indy, but I am. I left real early this morning, about 5 o'clock. It's a Saturday. I had to leave early. It was dark. I didn't put the camera on, but I did about 350 miles. It's a bright sunshine. I'm in Ohio. I'm heading back to Bongiovanni Racing's shop so I can do some maintenance and TLC on my race car. I've really been neglecting it. And so I'm going back to the shop before I go to Maple Grove. So I left early, guys. Sorry about that, but I just needed to work on the car. But I got a lot of content for you. You'll probably post this on Monday, but I figured I'd do a rolling out of Indy. It was real dark this morning. The camera doesn't work good, so there's no point in turning it on when I left Indy. But we took 70 up to, I guess if you guys ever do decide to go, if you're going north, I do like going to Jersey, or even if you're going to the Northeast New England area, I do 70 to 270, 71, 76 into 80. It's not that bad. It's just a nice run. The roads are pretty good. The only crappy roads are in Indiana, like 20-mile stretch just before the Ohio border. But yeah, so we're rolling out. Nice truck stop. Gas prices have been going up all weekend, I guess, because it's the weekend. Because it's normal. Kind of trying to figure out how to get out of here. So we got 350 miles to go. We roughly just went 350 miles. And it was good. No traffic. No fighting. We got some snacks. I was going to have some lunch, but you know what? I'm just going to drive right through, have some snacks. And somebody made a comment. They didn't see any snacks laying around, but I always got snacks going down the road and plenty of water. So this should be pretty uneventful. Hopefully, anyway. So, wasn't sure what I was going to talk about. I was pretty much... All right, GPS. You don't have to go through a whole freaking... Jesus, sometimes it doesn't stop talking. Anyway, I was really humbled at Indy. And not some, a lot of support. People come up to me all the time, and it just really makes it worthwhile what I'm doing, because people, just so many people, but that are just saying, thanks, Ken, I appreciate it. So I was really humbled by the support and everything. You guys are the best. And what really surprised me is so many people talked about these road trips that I'm doing. As I if I got my camera straight here, I think so. As I'm doing these road trips, and they just love it. And so I'm going to keep doing them. So I figured, what the hell, let me do a rolling out of Indy. And that's really, I just didn't think that people would be interested, because it's just a boring guy. I mean, I don't even have a good command of the English language. It's not like I'm, I got that voice for speaking. It's just an average guy, an average racer. We're just going down the road, and this is what we got to go through. Anyway, we'll come back. I got, let's see, how many more miles I got to go. I'm probably going to take it straight in. I'm not going to stop anymore. So I got 300 miles and 330 miles to go, 336. And we're down to 51. And Kenny is really getting upset right now. I am just like, this is fucking ridiculous. Bud, just get out of that hammer lane. Yeah, so I'll turn the camera back on when we get, I don't know, maybe I'll turn it in a couple hundred miles if I think something to say, or if something crazy happens on the road, I'll turn the camera back on. But, all right, guys, so we'll be back in a bit. So we're in Pennsylvania, I guess midway from west coast to east, from west to east, and on Route 80. So we're in, I guess, kind of the northern part of Pennsylvania. Where's Bellefonte? I don't know where Bellefonte is anyway. On Route 80. And the leaves aren't starting to turn yet, but I guess it's close. But it's nice. It's 80 degrees. It's 80 degrees, and we're on Route 80, and traffic's been good. Low volume. The big rigs, they just slow you down on the hills. and usually the most of it is 80 is good. 80 gets bad when you get close to the Jersey border. That's when it gets bad. Then you get some more grades when you get into Jersey, but it's still not that bad. You know, and as long as you're not doing rush hour, it's a 4-lane road. You know, it's really 8 lanes, 4-lane each way, so it's pretty comfortable. You know, even if there's a lot of cars. Whoa! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Well, at least I had the camera on. Ay 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 ay! That guy. All right, guys. I hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna. Sorry about that big rig. There was something running across the road. I had to slam the brakes on. Looked like a groundhog, and I seen him. And I'm going to try to. I don't know how clear the camera will be, but I'm going to show it to you. I'll do a still of this thing running. You know, I had a little bit of room, and usually if I have no room, it is what it is. If I squash him, I squash him. So I tried to give him a little room, and he just got by the tire. Ay, ay, ay. So I had the camera on just in time. So you never know. Everything is calm and quiet, and shit happens. And then the car behind me probably had no idea. What the hell's a groundhog? Now he's in the he's going to be in the middle of the highway, so he's got to cross to the other side. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know how much. I don't think he would have done damage because he's small, but I definitely would have felt it. So with that, we're going into a little bit of just a one-laner, and I'm glad I caught that. Something exciting, right? Yeah. So I'll be back when we get close to New Jersey because the road gets kind of crazy, and I'm sure something will also happen there. But all right, guys, we'll be back later. All right, guys. Yep, we're in traffic. We're right near the Delaware Water Gap, crossing into Jersey in about, I don't know, a couple miles. And that nice smooth run that was quiet. Well, you guys can see it's construction. This is the 80. This is the part of 80 that just absolutely. Oh, motorcycle! Nice. I missed my motorcycle. This is the part that's just horrendous. Once we get out of here, I only got another 34 miles to go, but we got to get over the water gap. Oh, water gap 2 miles. Lots of construction. This has been going on forever around here. So this is the border of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Route 80. And it hasn't been too bad. Nobody cut me off. But the speed limit's only 50. And the road is, well, right now the road's smoothed out, but just about 5 miles ago, the road was absolutely crap. And yeah, so that's not bad. So I got about a little more than a half hour. Left about 5:30 this morning, and it's roughly about 700 miles. So another 700-mile day. I guess if you get a good start, it's not a big deal. And this guy with the motorcycle in front of me, he looks like a tenderfoot. I got to get around him. I got a Triumph. Nice. There's somebody in the water fishing. No? Is there? No, it's a buoy. Oh no, they're canoeing. Got it. Canoeing.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Okay, GPS just said, welcome to New Jersey. Traffic the other way. Oh, I guess because it's a toll. Cross my fingers. We got 30 miles to go, and hopefully we won't have any traffic. There it is. Yes, sir. And the temperature is 81 degrees, and we're just kind of cruising. Oh, that's not good. Thank God. So we just broke down in the middle of the road. All right, guys, it's going to open up in a little bit, and when we get close, I'll just show you the way in. It's kind of big rigs. It's kind of tough to get to. I mean, Anthony gets it back, gets it in there with no problem. But the roads are they're not conducive to big rigs. But we make it work. So we'll be back when we get real close. right, guys. Yeah, we're ready to get off. 27A, 183 north. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. We got about just about 6 miles, just under 6 miles. This is a crazy stop sign. All right, GPS, we're done with you. We got 5 miles to go. Crazy, lots of traffic. You have to sit at the next one. Jersey, welcome. Okay, we're good. Started to pick up. Woo! Yeah, so this is where the road is kind of crazy. I mean, the speed limit I think is like 40, but or 45, but I'm not flying through here. It's just too hectic, too many houses. People just shoot right out from their driveways, so you just gotta. It's 40 miles an hour, so I just take it easy. Get in here, nice. All right, this is the last road. This is where the shop is, on this road. What's going on here? It's a Saturday. Man, I've never seen so many cars on the street. Holy schmoly. I wonder what's going on. Is there a party going on? I've never seen this many cars on the street. There must be something going on. I didn't see anything though. All right, guys, we're in the complex here. Back to the race shop. Hopefully we can get a decent spot. Hope you guys enjoyed the run. Maybe I'll throw in I'll just give you a rundown of the shop and just kind of bring my camera in there. It's pretty nice. He just built this building, but that's not the shop. See if I can get in there. Oh no, he's got his pickup here. Where am I gonna go? Gotta put his pickup there. You know what? I'm gonna go straight in here, and then we'll worry about it. So to my left is his shop, and then we'll worry about it. At least we got a nice spot in here. This is good. We got a 50 ampere to plug in, and it's good. So we'll just go. We'll take it right in here. All right, guys, that's it. And like I said, I'll throw a quick shop tour too in this video, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Later. Okay, guys, yeah, we're at the race shop, and let's see, this is not his race shop. This is his shop, though. He just put this building up, but we're gonna go inside and check out the race shop. And yeah, that's my rig. And this is a place he rents these two bays to. They do wraps and stuff like that. In fact, I'm thinking to get my trailer wrapped. It's a reasonable price. Anthony's motorhome here. Lots of trailers he has. One of his daily riders. He's got so many vehicles, I don't know how to keep up with them. Anyway, so here's his trailer, and this is the shop pretty much. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 bays, and up here's an apartment, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go inside. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys, we're inside the shop, and as you can see, his motorhome is in the shop. That's nice. I wish I could do that. And yeah, so his is 2010 car, which he just won Epping with. You guys know that. He's driving really good. So just give a quick rundown. This is the super stock. Just show you guys what it looks like in here. He just redid the whole shop, ceilings, floors, everything. And yeah, this is the 2013, I'm thinking. I think it's a 13. 13, 14 are the same. But it's got new wheels to put on, or new tires, fresh rubber for the front. We got an office in there, put all new cabinets in, and got a bathroom over here. There's plenty of storage up here. Junior dragsters for his daughters back in the day, another one, and then we're going to swing around. And there's another one up there underneath on the,
There's some plastic covering on it. There's an office upstairs, or I'm sorry, there's an apartment upstairs. Yeah, so let's walk around, and we'll look around in the back. Whole hook lift, real nice lift. Top of the line stuff. I get to work on my stuff when I'm up here, which is kind of cool. And he's got lifts, so we can get on top of the motorhome trailers. We can clean them. I don't clean them, but he's got somebody doing it. Michelle's car. Yeah, nice and that's cool. I like Michelle's car. Yeah, let's give it a quick look. Then we got his 2018, which is going to be a showdown car, but now it's going to be a. Oh, is there a light back here? Oh, geez, I thought there was a light back here. Oh yeah, I think there is. It's going to be a AA car, so I'm going to be competing with him, which I won't be happy because he'll probably be outrunning me. But whatever, it is what it is. So this car should be out. I don't know if it's going to be out maybe by the Dutch, if not next year for sure. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen this car. This is really cool. This is a very cool car. It was, like I said, it was going to be a showdown car, but he doesn't have the time. You really got to put a lot of time in these cars if you want to be competitive, and he just doesn't have it. And so, yeah. So we got another one. This is the one I kept in my garage when I lived in New Jersey. Kind of got all the electrical stuff squared away, and just a lot of little things. They're still waiting for an engine. And, yeah. And then this is what's going to be a bracket car. I don't know what he's going to do with this car. Who knows? And up here we got a 2010 and a 2012 4-liter Cobra Jets. One's a stick, one's an automatic. And they've never been down the track. So yeah, he's got a lot of cars. So he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's got 7 Cobra Jets. Sorry for swinging so fast. And this is a Shelby GT 500. Not sure what he's going to do with this car, but make a cool street car. Yeah, so let's go one more. We're going to go into the dyno room. Let's see what the dyno room looks like. This is where he sits when he's just looking at all the information. So it's kind of a mess in here, but there's your dyno room. Yeah, rear wheel dyno. I know a lot of guys are going to a hub dyno, but yeah. So that's it, guys. Bonngiovanni Racing. It's got another huge building outside besides this, but that's not for the racing operation. This is pretty much for all the racing stuff. Came out really nice. So, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the ride down the road going home, and I wanted to put this in at the end. You know, just something to, do. I've got a week off before we go to Maple Grove, so we'll see you guys at Maple Grove later.